Hello everyone, welcome back to HM Chemistry channel. So today in this class we are going to take next type of glass which is known as lead glass or it is known as flint glass. So we have done soda lime glass in the last video. So let us discuss lead glass. So talking about lead glass, as the name indicate, it is lead oxide glass. It is also known as lead crystal or it is known as flint glass. Three names are there. And if we are talking about composition, the formula is K2O PbO 6 SiO2. This is potassium oxide. This is lead oxide and this is silica. If we are talking about percentage, the potassium oxide, it is 4% in the composition, lead oxide is 44% and silica is 45% in the composition. Apart from these three things, sodium oxide, it is present in the 4% as calcium oxide which is present in 3% amount in the composition. Okay, and due to the presence of PbO, this glass, it is more bright and more lustrous as compared to soda lime glass. Addition of PbO makes the glass more bright and lustrous. Now, this is prepared by fuming literates, potassium carbonate and silica. When taken in the proper composition and heated at high temperature, we are getting lead glass at the end of the process. Talking about its properties of lead glass is quite similar to the soda lime glass that we have discussed in the last video. So, it is having high density, it is having high refractive index, it is having high dispersion power, it is having high electrical resistance, means electricity is not going to affect this glass too much. High homogeneity, it is homogeneous in nature and it cut off harmful UV radiation. Very important feature of this glass. It cut off all the UV radiations. Now this glass is very elastic in nature and due to its elastic, we can make glasswares, we can make castings, we can do work easily at workplaces. Due to its elasticity, we can say it is more workable in the factory. Why? Because whenever we are warming it or slight heat it, so it get converted into liquid state and after that you can work easily with this glass. Now this glass, another property, it is more fragile than another type of glass and due to its fragile nature, it is easy to cut. So these are the properties associated with lead glass. A few are also there on the next slide. It is having high specific gravity. It is bright and lustrous. And I told you due to the presence of PbO, it becomes lustrous and more bright. Okay. And after that, it is having lower softening temperature, TG. They are talking about glass transition temperature. Okay, as compared to another glasses. And it is having good electrical insulating properties we have discussed in the last slide also. After that, talking about its applications. So the application part is it is useful for shielding the atmosphering against X-rays and gamma rays. कोई भी person, if they are in the medical field, if they are doing research or in the technical work, so if they are using the instruments which is emitting X-rays, जैसे X-ray करते हैं जो लोग, ठीक है, gamma rays, for example nuclear reactors में. So these type of glasses help the person to protect themselves from x-rays or gamma rays. This glass is useful for decorative purposes. It is also useful for making optical glasses due to its high refractive index. It is used to make ornaments, neon signaling, and drinking glasses also. And it is useful for making ऑप्टिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स. जितनी भी आईज वाली मशीन्स हैं दे आर मेड अप ऑफ लेड ग्लास ड्यू टू इट्स you can say good properties. And after that, electrical insulators people are making from lead glass, cathode rays tubes they are making from lead glass. So these are the applications of flint glass. So you can see in the picture people are making optical lens, neon signaling, neon signals. Okay, they are generating cathode rays tubes, prisms people are making from this lead glass. So this is all about lead glass. Next video में we are talking about bulletproof glass or armored glass. Hopefully this video is helpful for you all. और अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon button so that you can get the clarity about the upcoming videos. So bye bye everyone.